Hello everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the barrel mounted optic on the Ruger PC Carbine. Spoiler alert, it's just 2 screws, right here and right here. I got the carbine mounted on my vise, and we're just going to take off the 2 screws that's holding the ghost ring sights. Now here's the optic rail. There's no orientation. It can either go this way or this way. It doesn't really matter. The ghost ring sights mounts to the front and the center screw hole, whereas the optic mount mounts to the forward and the backward screw. Normally I would put the optic sight on, add some Loctite to the screws, and then screw them down and call it a day. However, and this is just me being picky, I like my optic rail to sit nice and flush onto the barrel, and if I were to put a dab of Loctite on the threads and then put them inside the rail like so, there's a chance that some of the Loctite would leak all over the outside of the threaded hole, and therefore my rail, instead of it being flush metal to metal, it would be sitting on a small pool of Loctite. So that's a lazy way of doing things. So the way I do it is I get my Loctite and a paper clip, and I just put a dab on the very tip of the paper clip, like so, and carefully I will apply the Loctite inside the thread like that. So when I install the screw, the Loctite will just flow downwards and not squeeze up, affecting the metal to metal contact. You can also use a toothpick. At the rail, screws. That's it. Now you got a barrel mounted optic rail. The total upgrades I have available for the Ruger PC Carbine includes the over travel limiter, the extended charging handle, the extended magazine release, as well as the barrel mounted optics rail. As per YouTube's new firearms policy, I cannot tell you guys where you can purchase these upgrades, nor can I tell you how much they cost, and I also cannot leave you a link in the description below as to where you can purchase this. However, what I can tell you is that my name is Kay, the name of my channel is Created by Kay, and this is the Ruger PC Carbine. In a completely unrelated note, Google is the world's largest search engine. That's it, everybody. Comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.